Welcome back to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another sneaker review. In this episode of Penny for Your Thoughts, we're talking about a shoe that a lot of people wanted, man. It came out in a full family size. That means toddlers, preschool, grade school, and men. We're talking about the Adidas Yeezy Boost V2s, Cloud White, non-reflective. But before we get into the show, I'm gonna need for you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified we drop new content to the channel. And also follow us on our social media accounts on Instagram and on Twitter at PENNY_4YT. But I know y'all tired of me talking, so let's get to the shoe. Guys, go the Adidas Yeezy V2 350s Cloud White, non-reflective. Let's get straight into the shoe. As you guys know, on most Yeezys, it has a special kind of material going up the shoe. I don't want to call it mesh, but it's a special kind of material that's going up the shoe. In the Cloud White, you got a little bit of like real light sky blue going up the middle of the shoe. You got a white mesh going up the shoe. This is definitely mesh here. You know, on the sole, you got a translucent sole, clear, with the Adidas Boost in the inside of the sole, which makes this shoe super comfortable, along with this special material that they have on the top of the shoes. You have the Cloud White laces also. Pretty much everything on the shoe is Cloud White. If you guys been following the Adidas and Yeezy collaborations, man, most of the colors that they come out with are like special colors that you won't normally see on the shoe. So if you see a Yeezy and it has like a special color on it or whatever, it's usually something that he comes up with and he put it out there, man, because it's not going to be a lot of shoes with that color, which makes a lot of sense, but it's also hard to find things to match that. So, you know, I like to help all my friends and stuff. I come out with merch that sometimes goes with different shoes, and I have made a bunch of different shirts for Yeezys with special colors, and I will be making a shirt for this. So follow us on our social media accounts on Instagram and on Twitter if you guys want to see that. That's why I will put the shirt, I will post it up. You guys can email me and we can do PayPal, and I can, you know, make a shirt for you guys that match this shoe, man. So just, you know, leave it in the comments or just follow us on our social media accounts and hit me in the DM, or you can email me at p4yt2016@gmail.com if you guys want to get your hands on a special shirt that goes perfect with this. But other than that, man, you know, the shoe is pretty much what it normally is on the V2 350. You got the good material. I don't want to call it mesh like I mentioned earlier. You got the special designs in this material. As you can see, it's different on each part of the shoe. But for the most part, it's normally what you normally get out of a Yeezy, and it's not really too much different going on here. Yeezy's doing what he normally does, man, dropping stuff and it's selling out, man. So if you guys are getting tired of the Yeezys and y'all feel like he's coming out with too many colors, or it's just a lot going on with the Yeezys, man, leave in the comments below, man. I always answer all comments. I always get back at you guys, you know. So just holler at me if you guys want to talk about anything, you know, sports, sneakers, we could talk, music, we could talk about it, man. Just leave it in the comments and I get back at you guys. But yeah, man, another successful release. Looking like these sold out. These are not in stores, they sold out. I was able to get my hands on a pair like pretty much every other Yeezy, but I don't really like to do Yeezys on the channel because it'd be a lot of videos out on Yeezys or whatever, so I choose not to do that. But you know, I was like, man, why not? Let's do it. So I had to bring it to you guys. You guys can see it and get a good look at it, man. So let me know what you guys think. Leave in the comments below. But y'all know what time it is. It's time for me to rate this shoe. And out of 5 pennies, I'm gonna definitely have to give these joints 3 out of 5 pennies, man. I'm not really a fan of the whole Yeezy thing, man. To me, this looks like an overpriced Roshi run. If you guys are familiar with Roshi runs, that's exactly what the shoe looks like to me when I look at it. But it does have this great material on it, and it does have Adidas Boost, so I can understand the price point. If you guys are familiar with Roshi runs, I believe they were retail at $70. These retail at $220. So you know how that go. But it's definitely worth it. A lot of people tell me these are comfortable. I never really tried on a pair of Yeezys before, because they not really my thing. I like to do different kind of shoes, man. But let me know what you guys think. Leave in the comments below. If y'all think I'm bugging for giving these 3 out of 5 pennies, leave in the comments below, man. With that being said, we keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.